Hello, friends. Welcome back. We are back with a great announcement, and the announcement is we are starting a short course on Indian economy, specifically for UPSC, State Public Service Commission, and all the government exams. Now, why this is an important announcement is under this, we'll be covering all the aspects, or let me tell you, we'll be covering the basic concepts. Usually, what happens when people start with the preparation of Indian economy is that they don't really understand the basic concept. Hence, they don't understand the news related to or the recent developments related to the economy or Indian economy as a whole. So let's say if there is a change in the policy of RBI, monetary policy of RBI, or let's say there is quantitative easing, or there is contractionary monetary policy, or there is change in some banking structure, or let's say if there is a new type of financial institution being promoted. What are NPAs? Why the banks are falling? What are the problem with the NPAs? So there are a lot more concepts which we need to understand as an aspirant for government exam or in general for average informed citizens. So what we'll be covering in this what do you call program that will be starting, we'll be covering the basic concepts of Indian economy. So let me tell you, we'll be covering both microeconomics, but briefly our main focus will be on macroeconomics. We'll be covering that in detail. In microeconomics, we'll be covering concepts like demand, supply, types of economic approaches, and so on. Apart from that, market mechanism, types of market, resource allocation by market mechanism, and so on. So these concepts are very basic and it helps you build your further knowledge. Coming to macroeconomics, which we will cover in detail, it will consist of topics like national income, GDP, inflation, economic growth. So in this, we will be studying economy as a whole. Then RBI, its monetary policy, financial institutions, bankings, and so on. All the concepts that we have in macroeconomics. So let me tell you in this sequence of modules that I'll be bringing time and again, these will be only conceptual videos. Okay, though time and again I'll try to relate it with the current, but here the main focus is to make you understand the basic concept. So let's say even a layman should understand, after watching this video, even a layman should understand how the economy works. Okay, so what will be the impact, how different aspects in economy are interrelated to each other, right? So for example, let's say demand, supply, there's a basic concept, but how it affects the macroeconomics. Let's say if there's a crop shortage in crop production, how will it affect the price rise? As agricultural products, the demand is constant, right? But why there's a lot of volatility in its price? Why? Because the supply is not constant. Hence, if the supply is not constant and the demand is constant, there'll be a problem. Shortage will lead to increase in price. Hence, we will be discussing these concepts. Our mission and vision is make economic concept easy to understand. Our vision, any illiterate person can understand how economy functions, and core values is be selfless and give all I have. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. That is Gyan Chowk, for more such informative videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Have a nice day.